Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to see your drafts on TikTok. And for this we first will create one, and then after that I will show you exactly how you can find your draft. Alright, first of all we click on the plus icon, and then from now I will fill my microphone and I want to record a video. Then stop it, and then right now we do next, and then after that we do drafts. Then from now I will remove or close this application, and then right now if I go to TikTok again and I open TikTok, I will show you exactly how to find your drafts. Right now if you click right in the bottom on our profile, you see here the option drafts, and if I click here on this draft and I click on this video, you see the video that we just created and saved as a draft. Now right now we can do next to post it, or we can edit something what we like, but this is exactly the way how you can find your drafts. Alright, if this video helped you out, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.